সো আজকে মিথিলার কিভাবে 7.5 পেলো ওর স্পিকিং একটা মক টেস্ট নেব আমরা। মিথিলা, আর ইউ রেডি?
Yes.
সো হোয়াটস ইউর ফুল নেম প্লিজ?
Okay, my full name is Mithila Farzana. You can just address me as Mithila.
ওকে, হোয়ার আর ইউ ফ্রম?
I'm originally from Munshiganj, but I'm currently residing in Dhaka at Mirpur DOHS to be more exact.
What's your hobby?
I have numerous hobbies, but mostly I like to do playing with my cousins and reading books at my free time.
Okay, do you like to use Facebook and why?
Yes, I mostly use Facebook in my free time, and because it's very addictive in the young generation, and they provide attractive advertisement, reels, and contents that attracts me a lot.
What's your favorite food?
Okay, my favorite food is definitely chicken salad. It's very delicious and scrumptious at the same time, and it's very helpful for the digesting system, and it's very lightweight and very delicious to eat.
Do you have any favorite movie?
Yes, I have plenty of favorite movies, but I will definitely mention Nowhere that I watched a couple of months ago, and that was a survival thriller movie.
Why do you like it?
I liked it for many reasons. First of all, the movie taught me how to survive in a difficult situations and the survival tips and tricks, and that helped me in the long run.
Okay, do you like online shopping and why?
Certainly, everybody does because it's very convenient nowadays. We don't have to go face the traffics, and it mostly save times. And so I really like to do online shoppings.
Do you like to watch cinema at home or going to center, movie theater?
Okay, it actually depends. Sometimes I stay alone and watch any movies on Netflix, and sometimes I go on cinema because the theater is very big, the screen is very impressive, and also the environment I just can't get in my own home. So it depends.
Do you like many friends or a few friends?
I think making too much friends is very annoying. I like to make a few certain friends. They will be my genuine and true friends, and they will help me at my difficult situations. I can ask any type of help from them at any time, and I think they means a lot for me.
How do you pass time with your friends?
I invite my friends at home, then we do some like usual chit chat and have snacks made by my mom, and sometimes I go outside with them and do some shopping, and then go to the cinema, and sometimes we go to the park for jogging, and also I explore fancy restaurant and try continental dishes as well.
Okay.
So,
Do you like to help people and how?
yes.
If someone needs help, do you like to help people?
Okay, of course I really like to help people because it has a moral value, and it's very important to help each other to be helped. And when you help someone, it will be very generous and polite way to show them the gesture of affection, care, and love, and that also have moral value also, and that's why I think helping someone is really a good thing.
Nowadays, people naturally don't come to visit their relatives, but before they used to visit a lot. So what's the difference between these?
From my perspective, I think that it's because of the social media.
Okay.
Because people are getting more addicted and enjoying their time being alone at home, and they are just being introvert nowadays, and that's why they are visiting less to their relatives. So the bad impact is on us because the bonding is getting worsened day by day. That's why I think social media is the main reason.
Okay, nowadays relations, they are being disconnected in a short time. People
Yes.
are not so connected like before. They have breakups after a while. So what's the main reasons behind it? Would you like to say something about it?
Yes, it's just lack of giving time to each other.
Okay.
And they are getting too much time on social media, and sometimes they are just engaged with their busy schedule, professional works, and that's why they don't give time to their loved one. That's why the bonding is not like before, and sometimes they don't value each other's expectation. So it's the important thing to just break down the relationship, and people should know about and care about the loved one and the surroundings one.
Okay, nowadays people breaks relationship because of their closest one. I mean, because of their boyfriend, girlfriend, they forget their main friend. I mean, close friend, best friend. So do you think it is happening in the country nowadays?
I will say that it's harsh but true nowadays, but I will say that people should avoid this type of things because these are the temporary things in our life, but the family comes first when in the terms of priorities. So you should priority your family first, then your boyfriend and girlfriend. They will just motivated by their boyfriend or girlfriend, and they will just cut down relationship with their friends, but it is not actually right, because friends are them who will come in your danger, but the boyfriend and girlfriend will not.
So that's why you should be
That is
connected
the
to your
harsh
friends.
truth of
Because of your boyfriend and girlfriend, it should not close your close friend. I mean, the best friend, right?